Hello, I'm Mark Parker. Welcome to the Eaton-Peabody Laboratory at the Massachusetts Eye and Infirmary in Boston, Massachusetts. Today, we'll present a protocol for the isolation and primary culture of the murine organ of Corti. This protocol is fundamental in our work because it allows for the in vitro analysis of the organ essential for audition. To highlight the utility of this approach, we'll also demonstrate one of the many uses of the organs in our laboratory, the electroporation of exogenous genes into the cultured explants. Let's get to work.
The outline of this procedure is as follows. Neonatal mice will be decapitated and their temporal bones removed using blunt dissection. Next, the cochlea will be isolated from the temporal bone using blunt dissection. The bony labyrinth of the cochlea will then be opened using forceps, and the spiral ligament will be removed from the inner modulus of the cochlea. Finally, the spiral ligament will be separated from the organ of Corti using forceps. Translucent rows of hair cells can be seen running along the length of the organ of Corti. A portion of the Reisner's membrane, which has been ruptured during the removal of the spiral ligament, can be seen running the length of the modular side. As an example of the utility of this procedure, organ of Corti explants will be cultured for 24 hours and then be electroporated with an exogenous fluorescent reporter gene. The initial steps of this procedure involve the preparation of the culture plates. Place a sterilized glass cover slip that has been stored in 70% ethanol into two wells.